Hello there, we're going to talk about preventive maintenance with workbench, part 4. Next we're talking about IPA vapor dryer. We talked about before its structure. So now we're going to do the basic maintenance. First of all, we power off the heater and drain the hot IPA to the IPA cooling tank we talked about before, and drain as the IPA back to the room temperature. Then drain to the facility treatment equipment and use the deer gun to clean the tank. Deer gun means that the deer water sprayed with a pressure shower. We call it a deer gun. And there's a chemical line to recover the IPA vapor to the scrubber. And here is the particle filter. So we clean the scrubber to recover the IPA vapor, and clean the scrubber body by deer gun and renew the particle filter. And there is a nitrogen line to the body, and we renew the nitrogen filter. And there is a line from the IPA from the facility is the IPA supply line. There's a filter also. So renew the IPA filter. This is the basic PN with IPA vapor dryer. Now we're talking about Mahogany dryer. The Mahogany dryer body tank, clean tank by deer gun, and IPA tank we talked about before. We clean the IPA tank by renew the IPA and use nitrogen to flush. Then drain the IPA, then renew and flush and drain for several times to clean the IPA tank. And next, the IPA from the facility line have a filter, renew the filter also. And here is the nitrogen line from facility, also have a filter, renew the nitrogen filter. And drain waste IPA liquid to the facility treatment equipment. This is the basic PN with the Mahogany dryer. Okay, let's see you next time.